Bring it back.
Good morning, Panther. Welcome to WPNN. My name is Nacha.
And my name is Selena. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Student October is Hispanic Heritage Month. Did you know that our gym building is dedicated to Roberto Clemente? Yes, the incredible 21.
Roberto was born in Carolina, Puerto Rico. Clemente joined Puerto Rico's amateur baseball league when he was 16 years old. After singing with the Dodgers in February 1954, Clemente moved to Montreal to play with the Royals.
Clemente was an All-Star for 13 seasons, selected to 15 All-Star games. He also was a two-time World Series champion.
In September 1958, Clemente joined the United States Marine Corps Reserve. He served his 6-month active duty. Clemente spent much of his time during the off-season involved charity work. When Managua, the capital of Nicaragua, was affected by a massive earthquake on December 23, 1972, Clemente immediately arranged emergency relief flights.
He decided to accompany a relief flight airplane with Clemente on board, crashed into the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Isla Verde, Puerto Rico. Immediately after takeoff on December 31, 1972, due to engine failure.
Panthers, Spanish Club will meet this Friday in room 5207 right after school. Come and enjoy the time together as we plan the rest of the semester activities and try some delicious snacks.
Speed Joy is celebrating the Hispanic Heritage Month, Speed next week, October 9 through day 13.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!